Hey David, in this video, I want to review the email to case setup. So the reason why we did email to case is because we want to make sure that all of the inbound emails that are coming into our group or Kairos kind of team email aliases are created in Salesforce so that we have a history of emails. So to do this, because we can't set up a group or a team email alias as an inbox user, for example, a Salesforce inbox user, we are using email to case instead. So what email to case does, I'll just search email, come down to email to case. What email to case does is every time an email comes into a specified email account, a case is automatically created in Salesforce, which comes along with that email message. So although we're not working cases in Kairos, we do then have that history of the email record that's associated to the account. So there are some email to case settings here. Once this is turned on and working, you shouldn't have to edit any of these case settings. You can see that we do have HTML turned on. We do have the case source set to email automatically. We also have notify case owners on new emails. I am going to uncheck that now because no one needs to be notified. For testing, I wanted to know that it was happening, but we did not have to do that. And then we also have any attachments coming in on those emails as Salesforce files in Salesforce, so you won't lose any of the attachments. And then we have, if you do want to send an email from a record in Salesforce, we include the thread ID. That way, not every reply to an email coming into Salesforce creates a new case. So there's kind of a safeguard there. This is just saying that we have enabled on-demand email service. This just creates the quick sync and kind of saves you from the heavy lifting. And then down here at the bottom, you can see the routing addresses. So these are all of the addresses that we've set up. I will delete my test record. If you do want to create any more routing addresses, you would simply click new. And the routing address is this email services address. So after the email address for the account that you want to be synced to Salesforce is verified, you would take this email services address and set up forwarding within that specific email account. So basically, your email provider, your Outlook, is simply sending an email into this email services address, which is then creating the case. So there's like a step in between, but yeah, if this is not set up, if forwarding is not set up in your email client, then the integration will not work. So just keep that in mind. And that is it on email to case.